I'm sure at this point you know video marketing needs to be a part of your strategy. I'm sure that you know that YouTube is gaining more and more traction and is a place that you should be hanging out for your staffing and recruiting company, but I'm sure that you're probably not sure where you should start this whole process. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage video to get more business for your staffing and recruiting business right here on YouTube. And for the best marketing and online lead generation advice for staffing and recruiting companies, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get the notification for all my new videos every single Wednesday. Make sure you hit that bell in the corner too. Now, what I'm about to show you is the exact process that my Treasury talent team has used to grow a relevant brand here in the States simply by leveraging YouTube. So when you're building your YouTube channel, the first thing that you want to do is you want to know who you're building your channel for. We want to be able to identify, just like in any marketing, who is our target market, who is our target client, who's our target candidate that we want to actually be watching our videos. If we don't get this part right, we're going to create a lot of content, but that content's not going to hit home, or it's not going to connect with really anybody. And that's one of the biggest challenges with content. Everybody's creating content nowadays, and if you want to break through the noise, you need to be creating that content for a very specific audience. Case in point, I'm creating this video here for you recruiting agencies, staffing agencies, executive search professionals. So you want to do the same thing for your channel. Now, the next thing is you need to build out your channel. You need to figure out how you're going to brand this channel and start working on your cover art and your photos and start thinking about what your thumbnails are going to be. Now, the best way to build a brand is actually, it should be very congruent with the rest of your social media presence and your website. So if you've gotten that part already done, if you've got colors, if you've got fonts, if you've got messaging, that all should be taken here on your YouTube channel. Now, one of the things that I recommend with your YouTube channel and your cover art is you want to say very specifically what your channel is all about, and most importantly, what your audience can expect from that. So if you post videos every single Wednesday, then you want to make sure in your cover art that you're explaining that to your channel. And that's a big thing with your YouTube channel, is you want to get into a rhythm so that your audience gets to know when you're actually posting on here. So I post these educational videos on my channel every single Wednesday, so that as people start to follow me, they know that every Wednesday they will get a new video very similar to this. And so you want to do the same thing for yourself. Once you understand who you're creating the channel for, and then you start to build the brand of that channel here on YouTube by filling out the cover art and looking at your thumbnails, making sure your fonts and colors and everything are congruent with the rest of your stuff. The next thing you want to start thinking about is picking the topics. And when you're picking topics here on YouTube, you actually want that to be driven by keyword research. Now, keep in mind that YouTube is actually owned by Google. And so, if you do your keyword right, you can actually rank in Google from your YouTube video. But more importantly, if we're just talking about the YouTube platform, we want to make sure that we are doing keyword research just for YouTube here and making sure that we can rank our videos faster. The faster our videos rank, the more views we get, the more our efforts turn into business, and actually we get an ROI on it. So you want to have some strategy around the keywords specifically for your target market and your audience and what they would be searching for. Very simple. So there's a couple different tools out there that you can use to do something like this. Keyword Finder is a great tool that you can use. And again, you just want to be strategic around the keyword search. But then there's a balance here, right? The other balance is being providing value from my audience, that's not always keyword focused, right? And so you want to kind of pick some topics. So you can get, for example, if we're talking about recruitment, and we're building this channel, is it more, for a client development focus or from a candidate development focus, or is it both? And you get to choose. I would recommend doing both. But you want to create your videos very specific for those people and create topics that you can continue to come back to. So for example, my topic in this video is video marketing, and I'll also do other videos around video marketing, and I can do other videos around specifically lead generation and automation, and I can do videos around LinkedIn marketing, and I can do videos around Facebook marketing. So for you, you want to start thinking about, well, do you want to do videos for career advancement? Do you want to do videos for leadership? Do you want to do videos on how to properly source and recruit the type of talent that you're an expert at, right? So you want to look at all the different topics that are out there for creating video. Other things that you can do is incorporate interviews of past clients and candidates and share that type of success right here on your channel. So You really want to view this channel as a media place. Again, we want to go back into getting that rhythm, so you're posting every single day, every single, week with consistency, so your followers start to actually follow you. The last thing that you want to do is, now that you've created this video for your very specific audience, you actually want to go publish the video and use the keyword strategy. So you want to make sure that when you're doing the video that you're taking advantage and using a title that is really going to hit home with the keywords and be well searched. You want to make sure that that title also shows up in the description, and you want to leverage and maximize all of that real estate where you have the ability to write about that video. So you should talk about the video, what's going to be in the video, but then you have other opportunities to do some other things. So take a look at the description below this video here, and you'll see that we, give an overview of the description of the video, but then we also share our Facebook group. We also share our other social media platforms. We share training. So using these videos to get our audience to just take another step with us so that they can move forward. So those would be the 5 things that I'd recommend for your video marketing strategy right here on YouTube in 2020 if you're a staffing and recruiting company. So again, you want to know exactly who your target market is. You want to then go build your channel to really hit home with that market. You want to pick your topics based off of keywords as well as what your audience would want to see. You want to really publish this video with the proper keywords. And the last thing that I did want to throw in here is just some technical stuff. When you're building and doing videos, one of the things that usually holds people back first and foremost is, well, I don't know what I'm going to use to record it. All you really need to record your first video is this little guy right here, your phone. Do it sideways. That's the simplest thing. Actually, how I'm recording this video is using a desktop Logitech camera, and I'm actually using Zoom to actually do the recording of this video. That's as simple as you need. That's all you need to do basics. You can do it desktop by leveraging Zoom, or you can use your phone. The bottom line here is, what is the least path of resistance for you to consistently do videos? Your first one's your first one. That's just the start. Where you're going to make your money is by consistently showing up and doing this over and over and over again. So let me know in the comments below, what has been your journey around video marketing? If you're doing video marketing, what kind of results are you seeing? If you haven't started doing video marketing, why is that? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking to take your staffing and recruiting business to the next level and automate or implement a more automated lead generation system, I invite you to join in on my next free training. So just head over to donniegupton.com/free training, and we will show you exactly how my clients are seeing consistent opportunities even in this COVID economy. So that's it for this video, everyone. Make sure to like and share this video if you did actually like it. I would appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel so you get access to all my new videos every single Wednesday. We'll talk to you soon.